At present, there are three toll gates here in Sierra Leone. One at Hastings, the second one at mile 38 way in Songo, and the third one is at Masiaka. Timestamp in the description box down below. But we not grow up in a saloon with the road there. But at the end of the day, development need for come about. And as we get along in this video, we'll also talk about one of the most famous places that make its own name and a story that attach itself to this present day during the 11 years civil war in this country. In Sierra Leone, we talk about infrastructure. We get what we call Tinana the Papa for infrastructure, where Nashaka P. Stephen, the first executive president of this nation, to Alhaji Hamed Jankaba. He also played a vital role when it comes to the war, making peace in our country. According to people are always saying that he was working on a project for Sierra Leone Road to be constructed, but I don't think he was able to succeed on that. As we all know, government come and goes, and so it's all about continuity. So where Ernest Baiko Kana power, I think that was also on his mind. His intention was to leave the people with something they will always remember, the thing people will always be grateful for. So come 2015, in December, the then government wey na the APC we get for sign an agreement with the Chinese railway saving group for let them make road in this country. So sometimes in April 2016 the deal began for kick off and the road began for start. But at the time Sierra Leone do not have enough money and will not for left per debt. So and the project we for do now for make the road starting at Wellington to Masheka. The project was valued at $165 million. We not get that money. So the Chinese Railway Saving Group decided to operate under the system that is called BOOT, and that is to build, to own, to operate, and to transfer. It's clear. Simply means since we do not have the money to fund the project that is worth $165 million, they will put their money. Investors through their own means will invest in the construction, and then through the boots after they have constructed the road they will own it for the time, and when they own it they will operate it. When will they transfer back the toll gates to us, the Sierra Leone government? From what we've been told, the Chinese railway saving group was to be in charge of the toll gate for 25 years, but I think they later come to an agreement and decided to extend it for 27 years. As time goes on, our country, the economy, the money not they grow. So I think the Chinese government was also that I made them is the toll gate, but now it's on constant. So the reason why the the toll gate they were raising the amount for people to pay the vehicles is because of the cost in the money, because the money was not growing. Value no dey pay the money. $165 million project. According to they don't raise now up to $175 million for this particular road. Since they never usually for paper, waiting for paper, after all, they for pull your interest. So we as Sierra Leone will just get for no say. We know they forget this road quick. Papa God no kill with us again. I think sometimes in 2043 the road will be officially become we own. But for now, it's operating under the boot system. But so the thing simple. So this Lagos is one of the largest and most is impactful public-private partnership and between the Sierra Leone government and China Railway Saving Group. Now the country. And this now one of the projects we are not thinking people when they talk about or some are aware, some are not sure. This is one of the developments in our country that we the citizens are paying for. This now we on deck. Anybody we pass that road, whether you're a driver, you are a passenger, you are paying for the road. This is good. If there are other opportunities in this country like this, even though sometimes when people do not know things or are not used to it, they will complain for the first time. It might be good. But I will say this and I'll continue to say it again. The only problem that I have with the toll gates for now, said it, I don't know if it was included in their agreement, a street light. Where the road, when the road are constructed, and then there are street lights, it's unique, it's become beautiful. And the reason for the light is not just for beauty, because there are people who have fun of doing things that are not proper and ethical behaviors. When the place is full of light, where the country bright, some crime the way the reckless crime they know they happen. We wish this would extend not just the highway, but to every community here in Sierra Leone, let we get light. But we still dey look forward to, we no know wetin dey happen. And when you walk the streets of Freetown at night, you reach Hastings, where the toll gate is. You will really admire our country, Sierra Leone, because it's very bright. It's good. But whenever that happens to me, whenever I reach those places, I question myself. Why whenever I reach here, I admire my country. The beauty is here. No sooner you pass Hastings, where the toll gate is, you don't go back by darkness. Why? No. But now there are street lights along the way, which is good. But I believe that through the construction, because the toll gate this project has already been completed sometimes in 2024. It has been completed. I think now they are only doing little renovation on the way. But what me, I want to see the street lights. I want let what go. This is another problem. We lack transparency. No, no, wait, not transparency, but I think or something I'm not can share too much. So this not the Masiaka Wellington Highway construction where the Sierra Leone government and the China Railway Serving Group they agree on for make the road operate under the boot system where then they build and the owner and they operate they have to they don't pull all the way and get for pull make them profits and then transfer and the transfer what they expect now 2043 and this particular project they go for 27 years we me as a Sierra Leone, I believe others appreciate it because after where they don't go, this will become fully the government of Sierra Leone own property. We will continue for serve as a source of revenue for the country, which is good. And then we talk about Okra Hill, where we get along the Okra Hill. One famous story related to Okra Hill, now that um Foday Sankoh, the leader of the RUF, they said that he, he kept a jar of diamonds somewhere at Okra Hill. Mm. This is a wild story, and it's something that is still playing here in Sierra Leone until now. Back then, I heard that there were drones scouting for these diamonds. I mean, like drone that could scan the ground and see what is underneath. And then this is the story. People are saying that whenever the drone is flying up, they will see like where the particular jar is. Like they can spot that this is what they are looking for. But whenever they come down to look for it, they will not see it. I always question where rumors are coming from. Why some rumors give people something to hold on to, whether it's belief or hope. At the end of the day, these stories are wild. So how did this gold jar kept Okoel come all about? But they say he gathered some of his men, went up to the hill, Okoel, and then after they have dug the place, kept the money, he shot all of them. That information still gets out to people. Or for say after I don't kill people, and I decide back for say, well, I will talk say and I keep something, I kill people. Or because the story is wild, but at the same time, if he has shot 10 people where he kept the gold, did they move from the place and then he shot them because you have to clear the body. Them body then they did for pull up. But welcome or welcome back to the channel. My name is Idrissa, and in this channel all I do is showing you places in Sierra Leone that you will love to see, whether from the city, the village, and I try as much as possible to bring you stories from the people. If that sounds like your kind of thing, do hit the subscribe button and join the ever-growing family. If you are still watching at this time, I want you to know that I've just returned back to my 91, and I'll be here for 3 to 4 months again. And be rest assured, even though I did not fully explore Freetown as intended because the fuel price, the rise of fuel, and then transportation. But I think I was able to have a little bit of videos that will last me for as long as I am here. And I focus more on the eastern part, which when I look at it, I would say they're not bad at all. The purpose is for us to document these videos, keep them here. So, and then not before we get to 2043, let's see how Sierra Leone could have changed by then. So this is where we are here. So don't forget to subscribe, show your support in any way possible. We really appreciate it. You know, say the winner with their. So, with that said, thank you for watching. Please leave your comment in the comment section down below. Your opinions, the places that you may one day want me to visit, and why. Why you think that it's good for me to check up on certain things that you may have heard about. Like I said, I will gladly accept any recommendation, and I will appreciate it also if you get the fact that I would love to explore places that are accessible, not places that are restricted. I would love to go there. So with that said, I think you need to subscribe. Help this channel grow. Thanks for watching.